Hey guys, welcome. My name is Justin Lindhorst. I'm on board the Ocean Alexander 70E. We are at MarineMax St. Petersburg on this hot summer's day. I want to take this time and give you a tour on this unbelievable special yacht that we have here in St. Petersburg. Please join me and enjoy the walkthrough. From the aft of the yacht, we're going to work our way forward. Right here you can see this massive swim platform which will hold our dinghy. This holds up to a 15,000 pound tender boat or a jet ski or a little jet boat if you wish. Submerges all the way down into the water. Great swim patio. We also have access to our captain crew quarter through that door, and we have boarding access on both port and starboard to get to the aft cockpit and to enter the salon. Come on in, let me show you around. So here in the aft cockpit we have a really well appointed wet bar with a refrigerator and an ice maker. We have a fold down TV which comes up straight out of the roof right there. Beautiful table and tons of seating for your guests back here. Come on into the salon, let me show you around. That is pretty cool, guys. Just touch the button and that massive stainless steel door just electronically opens and closes. You have a foot controller right there, so if you're carrying a tray of food and drinks, just tap it with your toe and open she goes. So just take a look at the interior of this Ocean Alexander. Evan Marshall, the world-renowned designer, he's done some work here. Look at just the fabrics, the textures, everything you see is just unbelievable. Take a look at the size of these windows. Throughout the whole boat we have a view no matter where you stand, and you can see 360 degrees. Beautiful L-shaped sofa to the starboard and a sectional sofa to the port. Comfortable seating for 10 guests easily. We got an ottoman right here with a reversible tray. Everyone asks us where's the TV. Guys, we want to keep everything open, as you can see, so we have a 50-inch LED TV that comes up from the roof and retracts down. There's a total of 7 TVs on board. This boat has onboard internet, it has track vision television, it has a Sonos audio system that you can control from your phone, the iPad which is on board, and that will control all the zones throughout the whole boat. A slight step up into the galley. We have, once again, we are raised, so we have an even better view. When you're up at the kitchen bar counter, we can view down at all our guests sitting at the aft entertainment table, or our guests in the salon, as well as our guests sitting up at the dining table. So really everything just flows. The appliances in here are everything you would find at home. So full-size French freezer, full-size microwave, oven, induction cooktop stove. We have a dishwasher and we have a trash compactor too. Wine cooler right here to the port. Beautiful quartz countertops throughout the whole boat. Sitting at the dining table, this table comfortably holds 8. It has the leaf which lifts up and folds over. These 2 seats push out, and I'm sitting right in the very forward seat, and I can see the back of the boat and I can see throughout the sides and the bow, which is really magnificent. Additional storage. They've thought of every compartment in this boat. There is tons of storage. Even in places like this they've utilized, so you can have that additional storage that you need for those long trips that you're looking to do. Check this helm station out. Everything you see at this helm is duplicated up top. So our Captain Chris is up there right now. Everything he's looking at, we are looking at right here. Two 24-inch Garmin screens, radar, GPS, camera system, 2 cameras in each engine room. This boat features some really cool equipment. We have the Octoplex touchscreen system. We can control everything on this boat. Take a look at this. Everything's touchscreen. You want to control the lights, the bilge, you want to monitor, you can monitor it from there or from an iPad. This boat, the Ocean Alexander 70E, features hydraulic stabilizers. It's got these big fins, so whether you are at 0 speed on anchor, those fins are going to do their job to keep you stabilized. Whether you're just out cruising and you want to have ultimate comfort, she's going to be super stable underway. We have a dockmate remote control dock system, so you can stand anywhere you want. You can be on the bow of the boat, you can be on the swim deck, and you can control all the functions of the boat. The joystick, drive, the bow thruster, everything from the dockmate. She features the Volvo IPS 1200 drive systems. That's the 900 horsepower Volvo IPS pod drives. The performance is incredible. She'll do a top end of close to 27, 28 knots. And you can control everything from this beautiful stood captain's chair. When you're underway on those long cruising days and you're in this chair, you can spend 6, 7, 8 hours and you're not going to get any fatigue. It's very comfortable. We got a Garmin controller right here, so I can toggle through all my screens. I can run my autopilot. I can do everything from this little controller right here, and I can control the boat when I'm underway with this Volvo Penner joystick docking system. This is obviously for when we dock in to control the bow thruster and the pods, and when we're underway we can maneuver our course accordingly. Continue the walkthrough. I want to show you access to the port side. We have this giant pantograph door. Check this out. One touch of one finger, look how she opens. It's magnificent. It's really stuff that you find. It's the same equipment they're using on the 112-foot yacht, which is amazing. This will be 70-foot yacht. We feature 2 access points to get to the flybridge. One being the interior stairs, and we have the exterior stairs on the port aft deck. On those long days, if it's just owner-operator, that's what this boat's really designed for the husband and wife that want to go cruising, maybe just with your friends. If you're wanting to get up to the helm real quick, you do have that access. You don't have to go down and around the back of the boat to get to the flybridge. So that is a real benefit. All right, follow me down. Let's take a look at the 4 staterooms, 3 heads, beautiful wide companionway to get to the below deck. Follow me. So we'll start with the master king to the aft, the most comfortable, quietest place on the boat, full beam, absolutely gorgeous. Rounded wooden bed, big windows in this master stateroom, king size bed. The view, take a look at this, man, and look at that view while we're running. It's just unbelievable. Lots of closet space, drawers, cabinets. One of Ocean Alexander's signature features is the cedarwood lined closet with the LED backlit drawers. That is super cool. Everything about Ocean Alexander, the attention to detail, just like this door. I mean, it's super heavy. When you open and close, you can just feel the weight of every single door. There's 0 vibrations or rattles anywhere on this boat. It's just absolutely magnificent. Very quiet, lots of headroom. I'm 6'2" and I got half a foot above my head. Throughout the master stateroom, you're not ducking in anywhere. We got a beautiful ensuite head for the owner, double vanity, a his and her sink, beautiful big shower. In the bow of the boat is the VIP guest room. Features a queen size bed, which you can access on both sides. Great big porthole windows. Very quiet as well. We do have a skylight heading up onto the bow. Tons of storage throughout the cabins as well, once again. And the cedar-lined closet, as we noticed earlier. Each room has a television set with the Apple TV, with the Sonos stereo. So ensuite head for the guest VIP room up in the bow. Their very own private ensuite head with a full walk-in shower. So we are midship, where we have an additional 2 staterooms. This is for your guests. We have a side-by-side twin bunks. These beds can push together to make a queen. Lovely window with a porthole as well. Once again, all this headroom, TV, closet space for your guests, and they do have access to the day head, which is just through this door, which you can access from this room or from the passageway right over here. Alright, then for the kids or those last minute friends that decided to join you at the last minute, we have an over and under bunk right here. And on those extended trips that you're on, you'll want to be doing some washing and some laundry. We have a washer dryer, vented unit just like you're going to find at home. So this has to be one of the nicest wet bars I've ever been on. You have the view that just is to die for up on the flybridge of the Ocean Alexander. Look at this. You can be grilling out here. You're 3 stories up. Once you open in that clear water of Bahamas or the Keys, wherever you may want to go, just the view is spectacular. You've got a lot of seating. You can seat 15 guests back here with the off seating. There is an optional shade, which this boat does have included. It's just not on right now, but it does have the shade. We have a sink. We have our electric chef grill. There are 3 ice makers just up on the flybridge. That's incredible. 3 ice makers, 2 big refrigerators. One behind me there, another additional fridge over here. A lot of social seating, as you can tell. Nice teak table. The helm station on this is just, once you get on in these stood chairs and you're heading a long journey, it is just so comfortable. You can see your guests up on the bow. You're covered by this giant hard top. All the electronics we see up here, like I mentioned earlier, duplicated up on the flybridge and down below. We've got 3 Volvo controllers, one on the transom as well. Alright, while the Ocean Alexander is designed to be an owner-operator vessel, you can, however, have a captain or crew, and this is where I'm situated right now. This is the crew quarter on board. So comfortable bed, and we have the crew's head as well as a sink and shower. This is really well air conditioned, and beyond this giant bulkhead ship's door is our engine room. This is where all the good stuff is. This is the engine room of the Ocean Alexander 70E. This is where all the action happens down below. Beautiful big Volvo IPS 1350s. This has the twin 24 kV Kohler generators, both sides. As you can see, everything is so well laid out. I mean, all our filters, our pumps, everything is labeled, so easy to check. So walking down these very spacious gunnels of the boat, you can notice the railing that Ocean Alexander used. Big, chunky, heavy-duty stainless steel rail, and it's an elliptical shape, so it really goes nice in the palm of your hand. It's not just a round rail, elliptical, and they've incorporated the bollards, the midship bollards, so you can put your spring line on and it still looks good. There's no obstructions on the outside of the boat. We have a boarding door, port and starboard door, very easy to access. You can put your little boarding ladder. So coming up front on the Ocean Alexander, look at this. We have so much space to hang out on this bow. You can seat 10 of your friends up here. There is an option which is included in this boat for a forward shade, which is absolutely magnificent when it's deployed. A great feature as well is this backrest for the seat up there does move forward, so you get this giant sun pad. I know my wife enjoys the sun pad up here, so great feature. Extra heavy duty mega yacht equipment. This is stuff we're using on the 112. Big Maxwell through hull windlass, giant hawse openings on both sides. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this brief walkthrough tour on this magnificent Ocean Alexander 70E. Stands for Evolution. Absolutely magnificent vessel. If you have any questions, come on down and see us. My name is Justin Lindhorst. I'm here at MarineMax St. Petersburg, or call us on 727-343-6520. Look forward to seeing you out on the Ocean Alexander soon. Thank you.